What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're not a part of the Trendy Squad, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the Trendy Squad too. You guys, so in today's video, as you can see, this is not the way you normally see me, right? So my hair has been straightened, blown out. I've gone to the gym, worked out, and everything like that. So now my hair is just super frizzy. I've kept it in the bun for the past like 4 days, and I finally brushed out my hair, and this is the result after all of that. So my hair is completely dried out, so dry, oh my goodness. So I'm gonna be showing you guys in today's video how to transform your dry hair from flat ironing it, blowing it out, roller setting, whatever heat related things that have dried out your curls, and revitalize them back to natural and beautiful. So grab your mom, your sister, your auntie, and whoever else has curly hair and have them come watch this video. All right, you guys, so for my pre-poo, I'm gonna be using a homemade oil mask. It has olive oil in it, Jamaican black castor oil, as well as Renpure mint co-wash cleansing conditioner in it. And then after my pre-poo, I'm going to be using the scalp scrub that I've used before. This is the Tree+Mint purifying and invigorative scalp scrub. After that, I'm going to be going ahead and using Shea Moisture's Manuka honey and Madura oil intensive hydration shampoo. And to bring out some of the color and the blonde in my hair, I'm going to be using my good old L'Oreal Everpure sulfate-free blonde shampoo. This is that purple shampoo. It's really helpful to get the brassiness out of your hair. And then what I'm going to go ahead and use is Carol's Daughter's Green Supreme Vitalizing Conditioner. This one helps strengthen and lengthen your hair. So I really like this one. The conditioner works pretty well. And then after that, I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Treatment Mask. So this is going to be amazing because we are going to be giving my hair the best treatment after straightening it. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the first step in this process is doing a pre-poo. So if you're not familiar with what a pre-poo is, it's basically kind of conditioning your hair before you shampoo your hair. So for my pre-poo, I am using a homemade oil-based mask that has olive oil in it, Jamaican black castor oil, and this Renpure cleansing co-wash conditioner. So let me go ahead and start that off and apply that to my hair. So here it is here. It's a pretty slimy, I guess you could say, consistency. It's conditioner and oil together. So I'm not even gonna section my hair right now. I am basically going to focus on the ends of my hair and work my way up. Since my hair is straight right now, basically, it's gonna be a lot easier to kind of just put that into my hair. It's already curling, boo. The curls are calling my name. They're like, mommy, come get me. Your hair's been straight too long. I need air, I need to breathe. I've been dry and thirsty. Oh my gosh, please provide me with some water and oil. You guys, I'm literally using every ounce of this hair mask that I made because I need this hair to know that I love it and I don't want it to drop off. So we gotta put all of the mask on there. So I made this mask in a previous video on one of my 12 days of Christmas videos with the self-care. If you want to know how to make this mask, you can go ahead and check out that video. I will link it in this video here. You can see it like right here or on this side or below. Okay you guys, look at the inside of this. Oh my gosh, it's almost all gone. I'm trying to get every little ounce of it out of here. Make sure that you focus on the ends for sure, as well as your scalp. So if you want, you can like massage it in there. Remind your scalp that you love it and give it some oil mask. A little massage feels good on the scalp. Makes your hair follicles remember that you love them. Help your hair grow with a good massage. Alright you guys, so the pre-poo is complete. I went ahead and applied all of the mask into my hair. So now what you can do is go ahead and just put your hair up for a little bit and do some other tasks. If you're in a rush, you could just do like a 5-minute pre-poo. But what I'm going to do is do it like about 10 minutes. You could do 10 to 15 minutes to 20 minutes, whatever you would like before you're ready to go on to the next step. So let's go ahead and put this up and I will be back in a few minutes. Alright guys, as you can see, my hair is already ready to get back to being curly again. With this pre-poo on, I can see that it's really working already because my curls are already activated, so that's a great sign. So I'm going to give it a few more minutes and then I'm going to go ahead and we are going to do the next step, which is going to be a scalp scrub. So get ready. Oh my gosh, my hair is feeling nice already. Oh my goodness. Okay you guys, so it has been 10 minutes since I went ahead and put in the pre-poo. So the next step is going to go ahead and be a scalp scrub. So for the scalp scrub, I'm going to be using this one. It has tea tree. Let me move my body out the way. There we go. So this one has tea tree and mint in it. I have used it before in another video. I'll go ahead and link that video in here too. But yeah guys, so the consistency is like that. Little droplets. So it looks like that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is start right here on the line of my hairline right here and just kind of put this here. I'm sectioning my hair just a little bit so I can get more access to my scalp. We can begin to lather more effectively. We're just gonna go ahead and massage all of our scalp. You can massage in areas that are itchy. You can massage everywhere if you would like. Just go ahead and separate your hair bit by bit and apply it. Here you can see the consistency and the salt beads. Oh my gosh, especially after not washing my hair for a little while, this feels good. So the little beads are actually salt. So I'm just using them and just like scrubbing it. It feels a lot nicer than using your fingernails to scrub your scalp. Just something a little bit different, clarify it, purify it and everything. Something natural for your hair that you can use to kind of clean it out. So I do recommend parting your hair into different sections if you want it to be really effective on using the scalp scrub. Right now, the way that I'm doing it, just by kind of sectioning off my hair a little bit and just kind of separating it, works for me. But so you could do it either way. As long as you feel that scrub going through, it balances the pH in your skin. So this is so great. Oh my gosh. So all these things you can do before you even hop into the shower, or you can do all of this in the shower if you'd like. So just be careful because like the little salt beads will start to fall down because not every grain of salt is actually going to go onto your hair. Okay, so now that I've finished scrubbing my scalp and doing the pre-poo and everything like that, it's time to rinse it all out. So let's go. Alright you guys, time for the fun part. Time to hit the shower. This is how my hair is looking before, after everything that you've just seen. We're gonna go ahead and go in with the Intensive Hydration Shampoo by Shea Moisture. So, whoop, let's go. First, we're gonna rinse off our hair, of course, and then we're gonna go ahead and do 2 lathers of this product. So I love this product so much. It really gives me hydration when it comes to doing my wash days. I recommend this product so much, you guys. So if you are having issues with dry scalp, this is your go-to. This is a product that I decided to use once I started having like more of a dry scalp, and I think it's helped tremendously and my hair has grown so much. So next we're gonna go ahead and go in with my L'Oreal Paris Purple shampoo. This one helps with the brassiness on your hair. So if you're noticing that your hair is looking a little too brassy, this is the best product that I've found so far to use. So yeah, isn't it fun being in the shower and when your hair suds up like this? Ooh, oh, okay, caught it. All right, we have rinsed off our beautiful curls. Look at that, they're coming back already. But it's time to go ahead and detangle them. Look at the thickness that you're seeing. So I'm gonna go in with Carol's Daughter Green Supreme Vitalizing Conditioner. So this conditioner, it really works in terms of feeling like you're having that level of lather that you need. But I typically go in with this lightly and I kind of put it everywhere, and then I start to slightly detangle some of the curls. Oh, hey, oh, it's fogging up. Hey guys. Oh, let me clean you off. Okay, so after using Carol's Daughter, we're going in with a Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration hair mask. So I'm using a little bit of this and Carol's Daughter together. We're just trying to loosen those curls. I dampen it just a little bit so that way the lather moves everywhere else, and then I go ahead and slightly begin to detangle. Alright guys, so I use my paddle brush sometimes. So I have a specific paddle brush that I use to detangle my hair when things are not going as smoothly as I expect. So I'm going in and adding more of Carol's Daughter to help with that slight separation and application. So as you can see, right side of the hair is looking detangled, and the left side is like, it needs work. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna continue to brush my hair. Look at the way that it really helps to detangle, and you see the curls, they start to bounce and form back again. After detangling the other side of my hair, you can see I can finger comb now. Look at the curls, they're bouncing, revitalized, they're coming back. Oh my gosh, this is the greatest. Alright guys, rinsing is complete. Time to go in with the Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. This time around, it's going to be the only thing on our beautiful curls. We're going to apply this everywhere. Don't forget to make sure you apply this and you give special attention to your ends, especially if they're dyed like mine. So as you see, my curls are bouncing. They're coming back to life. Yes, I'm enjoying this. So here is the packaging. There's like barely anything left. I like to use all of this when we do these routines. Oh, I don't need it anymore. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish applying it everywhere, and we are gonna end up leaving this in our hair for a few minutes. So you can leave it in up to 5 minutes, you can leave it in up to 10 minutes. Look at my curls, you guys, they're bouncing, they're back. Time to flip up my hair and put it in a cute little bun. Yes. And you can leave it in for 10 to 15 minutes. Now we're gonna go ahead and rinse it out completely. This is the part that I love because it feels super soft and super smooth, and like my curls are gonna be nourished and bouncy and hydrated. Okay, time to style my hair. This is the Argan Magic Curl Cream. I'm sorry that it's not focusing. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the Cantu gel. I use both of these products together because it's like a nice, light, airy way to have my curls bounce and free. So I go ahead and I apply a little bit on, ooh, it smells so good. And I go ahead and I apply it to my curls. I finger comb them into my curls. I like to give it a decent lather first with the cream, and then I'm gonna go ahead and lather that on top with the Cantu gel. So my hair needs to be parted. So I go ahead and I just part it right in the front the way that I like it. Nothing too strict, it's just to separate that so that way it's out of my face. And then I go ahead and I apply it to each section so that way it can be more defined in the front. I use the Cantu gel to help that separation, and there we go. Curls are back and ready to rock, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, Trendy Squad.